All right, step one of brainstorming and coming up with your main idea for your social media is all over with. But now we're on to the next one, which is planning. Now, planning is part of the strategic plan of social media. You have to make sure that everything looks good and that the final product at the very end is what your audience is hoping for. So, to bring this thing to life, let's create a storyboard. And what's a storyboard? I will show you what a storyboard is. So this is a storyboard. This is how to make a storyboard. So the first one, you want to make squares like this, or you can use sticky notes. The reason to do this is because you want to picture and imagine what your social media is going to be when you send that out from your platforms, whether it's Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, whatever it may be. You want to make sure that your story or your social media that you are telling makes sense. Step two, when making a storyboard, draw pictures. Now, drawing pictures should be the easiest thing for all of us to do. Some of it can be very hard and challenging, but when we look at social media, we're on there looking for pictures and videos. And so when you're creating your own storyboard, you want to picture out your ideas of what you're talking about to your audience. Step three, create a script. Now, prior to this video, I had to make a script so I would not mess up on a line. So when you're doing your social media, especially if you're filming or working with actors and actresses, you want to make sure you have a script. Because all that research that you did in brainstorming is what's going to be put to the test when you use your social media strategy. So be sure you create a script. Be sure it's very detailed. You want your pictures from your storyboard, your script very detailed, so then that way you know what you're talking about and what your audience wants to hear. Step five, plan everything. And I mean everything. Yes, it's great to have one plan, but it's also great to have plans B through F. You never know what will happen when you're creating your social media, so you always need to be prepared when it comes to that. And if you need to make any changes, very last minute is not a good idea. Make sure, plan it out very well. And the last but not least is your final project. You want this as your final step and the final marking of your social media strategy and campaign. The project is the best part, and it's the most motivating once you've planned all this out on a storyboard. And now, after you're done planning and strategic about it, you are now ready to start the next step of your social media campaign.